Welcome to today's Techtorial. In our previous video, we talked about how to post an assignment in Google Classroom. However, did you know that you can also post other types of classworks such as materials and announcements too? Don't worry if you don't, because in today's video, we'll be explaining everything you need to know about that. Guess what? You can post resource materials such as syllabus, online books, and many more in your classroom. To post a material in Google Classroom, first, click the Create button and select Material. If you've watched the previous video, you may notice some differences between the features of an assignment and a material. When posting a material, there isn't an option to set any due dates, total marks, and rubrics. As you can see, you can add a title, an optional description, choose a topic, and select which class or to whom you want the material to be posted to. You can also add attachments, such as files from your computer, Google Drive files, YouTube videos, or links. In addition, you can even add a newly created docs, slides, sheets, drawings, and forms. Posting a quiz in Google Classroom also has the same features as posting an assignment. However, when we click the Create button and select Quiz Assignment, Google Classroom will automatically create a blank Google Forms. By clicking on it, we can edit the quiz to add our own questions. Right below the blank quiz, there will be a selection button that will either allow or disable grade importing. What grade importing does is that it automatically limits each form to one response per user. It also collects email addresses and restricts responses to users in your domain. Of course, you can remove this Google form that Google Classroom automatically made by simply clicking this X button here. Other than quizzes, you can also release questions on Google Classroom. To do so, click the Create button and select Question. You can add the questions here and add instructions, which are once again optional. In the drop-down menu beside it, you can also choose whether the question is a multiple choice or allow short answers. Similar to posting an assignment, you can also attach documents, change the points, and many more. However, when posting questions, there are these two tick boxes here which you can check to enable students to reply to each other or edit their own answers after submitting. Did you know that you can reuse an announcement, assignment, or question from other classrooms? To reuse a post, in the Share Something with Your Class box found on the stream page, click the Reuse Post button. Then, select the classroom and the post you want to reuse. You can modify the post and also save the post for it to be uploaded on a specific time later by scheduling it. You can also check the Create New Copies of all attachments located in the bottom left of the menu. Another way to reuse a post is to go to the Classwork section, click the Create button, and choose Reuse Post. Creating topics in Google Classroom will help you organize all your assignments, quizzes, materials, and questions, as it will allow you to view the individual assignments published under each topic easily. Note, students will only be able to see the topics assigned that have published posts under them in the classwork page. To create a topic, click Create and select Topic. Then, tap the topic name and click Add. On the left side here, there will be a list of all the topics you've made, and you can filter them to only see all your posts for a topic by simply clicking the topic you want. If you made a mistake and want to edit your topic after publishing it, no worries, as this can be changed by clicking on the 3-button icon found beside the topic name. A drop-down menu will then appear where you can choose whether you want to rename the topic, delete it, or copy the link which you can later share to a person in the classroom. Also, Did you know that deleting a topic won't delete all the posts under it? Instead, it will move all the posts to the top of the classwork page. This drop-down menu also has an option which allows you to rearrange topics to follow your curriculum by choosing Move Up or Move Down. When you move a topic, all the posts under it will also move. Fun fact, this drop-down menu is also available for each post under a topic. This means that you can also reorder the post under a topic and edit each individual post even after publishing it. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned new features from this tutorial, and stay tuned for our next tutorial about Google Classroom.